Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to find someone on Facebook by picture. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Facebook and log into your Facebook account, so if you want to identify someone on Facebook by picture, so what you can do, you can go to your profile, or you can upload a photo here. So if you have this upload option, click on it and then select a photo. So select a photo and then click on it as if you're going to post it, and then hit on the edit option. So when you click on the edit option here, so click the tag option here. So click on tag and then tap on the face, and then here the Facebook will suggest you similar people based on your face features. It will suggest similar profiles here. You can scroll around and see if any of these suits, and so if you click on it, and you will be able to see options here. So this is actually this is not all the time it will be accurate. This is just a method or a rough an estimation or a guess, so that might even help you based on the photo. So it's not going to be 100% accurate, but this is a good option to get some suggestions. So it will provide you with suggestions that might actually be the right profile as well. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.